Alright guys, we're gonna call this video My Neighbors Are Gonna Think I'm Crazy. They're getting ready to come through here, I guess, next week and put in all new curbs and everything. Because after the tornado, a lot of the curbs and everything got damaged and stuff around here, and they're just not getting around to doing that. But I'm a little particular on my yard, and I'm not real big on the guys that actually are doing the digging from what I've seen, digging around my sprinkler heads and everything. So I'll kind of show you real quick. This is what we got. So this is my yard. As you can tell, I'm a little particular about how it looks and everything. And I've got sprinkler heads and the water meter and everything right here. So I thought, because I know where everything's at and I have an excavator, why not be the guy to dig out the dirt and everything, and excuse me, and then let them come through and take the curb and everything out and fix that, because I'm actually going out of town next week. And I thought, my luck, they would come through here and do all this now, and then my whole front yard would die because I couldn't run the sprinklers. So yeah, let's get started tearing this up. Here's kind of the finished product. It got dark last night, so the after picture, you really couldn't tell anything, but got it all dug out and ready for them to come in here and tear the curbs out. So I got to put 6 inches of base, and then it'd be 6 or 12 inches of concrete actually on top of the curb, and then 6 on the gutter. So it's dug down about 18 to 20 inches right now, and 2.5 feet. That way they got plenty of room. My luck now, they'll get down here and decide that they don't have enough money to put curbs or something in, and I'll have to redo the yard. So we'll see. But got my part of it all done.